This evening we are at the Vlerick campus in Brussels, and it's the Vlerick Experience Days. So a lot of people join these days to discover and get a taste of what Vlerick courses have to offer.
I hope I'll have more clarity on the next steps that I want to take with my career. I've been working for 5 years and thinking about going back to school. And I know Vlerick is a fantastic school, so I hope to know more about the school, what they offer, and hopefully make my decision.
I was curious to experience the method and the way that Vlerick gives these programs.
I like the sessions. The first one was about how to define your path to success. We got some very concrete tips, and that was very nice. We also had a lot of fun.
I chose Vlerick because I have been here on a program. There is a management program here, which was very good. And actually Vlerick was recommended to me. I took their advice and I do not regret that.
It's not only a matter of investing in yourself, but also it's a matter of remaining relevant on the labor market.
Also have the possibility to speak with the professors that are available here, that you're able to tackle some issues with, and that you see how their insights are on specific topics.
I'm interested in the networking element that the evening offers.
I get to know a lot of people from different companies, even international. In the first workshop there was a Hungarian girl, in the second session a girl from the Netherlands, so really a nice international experience.
I followed the Vlerick MBA already a long time ago. I think it was back in 20 years or something like that. Since then, it was quality at that moment, and since then Vlerick continues to deliver quality, so why wouldn't I be here today?
I think also from a costing perspective it's reasonable, and it fits a lot what I'm looking for.
I would recommend it to many people, young, older, doesn't matter. If you're already at the point you think, okay, I want to do a program, or if you're still have no clue if you want to do it or not, I totally recommend it.